This video will be focused on including MCP on Cursor. I'm not going to go in depth into what MCP is, but my next video is going to be focused on integrating MCP with WhatsApp. Or, as you can see already on my screen, I have a folder for MCP for WhatsApp. To check if MCP is already included in your Cursor, you need to go to Cursor Settings, Cursor Settings. And normally, if MCP is included, you're going to see MCP here. So if you don't see MCP here, it means that your version of Cursor is old, so you need to update it. Unfortunately, Cursor doesn't give us a button to update our Cursor directly. Some versions of Cursor anyways. I think the new versions of Cursor, you have an update button already included here. To do that manually, you need to go to View and Command Palette. You can also use Command Shift P to open Command Palette. So you open Command Palette and you need to type Attempt Update. So once you click Attempt Update, automatically Cursor will try to update itself. So I just wait a few seconds for Cursor to update itself. So as you can see here, Cursor already updated itself. So we have a new version of 0.45.14, and so now we go here, and you can see already that we have the update. You have the update button, and you can check here. We can also check the versions. We have 0.45.14, which is the newer version of Cursor. We can also check here settings. I'll go to Cursor. You don't find it here. If you don't find it here, what you need to do is you need to restart Cursor manually again. So I close Cursor here and I quit Cursor. Then I need to open Cursor again. If I open Cursor again, you need to go here, check for updates, use the check for update button in this case, and then it's going to download the newer version. Once the newer version of Cursor is updated, it changes from downloading to restart to update. So you restart Cursor again. I think the reason why we had the issue was because we have Cursor version 4.45, and now we also have Cursor version 49. Let's check the version we have here. Now we check and you see that we already have Cursor version 0.49. Now if we check our settings, Cursor settings, we should have MCP. So in case you have the same problem I have, so first you use the Command Palette to update. Sometimes it's updated directly to 0.49 or the latest version. Sometimes it's only updated to the next version, which is the next version from the version you have on your computer. If you have that issue after you have done that update, then you have this update button. You can check for update and update to the latest version, and if you do that, you then have MCP included in your Cursor. So my next video is going to be focused on integrating MCP with WhatsApp.